Hello, Sebastian here from TwinPeaks, and this is our ZoneFinder. Where can you find it? Well, you go to this page, TPTE, and City Tools Licensing. You can find the link just below this video. Here, you will have the downloads for all our products, as well as the instructions for the CD License Manager, available in both German and English. You can also switch the entire page to either German or English at the top. I'll switch this to English now, and then we can continue working here accordingly. The License Manager is absolutely necessary for all our tools, as the entire licensing process runs via. If you click on the plus sign here, you will find the downloads for all products at. To register for a demo, you always have the option of using this form on the right-hand side. Please fill it out. We collect the data because we only allow one demo registration per user. It is therefore also necessary to enter your email address and telephone number. The whole thing will then be confirmed by code and stored in our system. To protect us from abuse, please select which products you would like to test here in the area below. Of course, you can find all City products here, and also our TPT products. If you would like to test Sentinel, please select only Sentinel, because most of the other tools are already included here. That means you don't need to select it twice. You can find the downloads here. And with Sentinel, various tools are already included. Now for the ZoneFinder, you would have to go to and select the whole thing here, TPT ZoneFinder. You will find the download here, and would then select it below. The fact that you want to test the ZoneFinder from us means this here. I recommend you to use the ZoneFinder Pro for the test. This has extended functions and also offers the option of displaying signals. If you decide to make a purchase later, you will then have the option between the ZoneFinder and the ZoneFinder Pro. I will post the corresponding link to the store later under this video. If you have downloaded the whole thing, which means you have completed your registration here, you will have received an email with your username and password. You will need this later in the License Manager USAN. Please watch the corresponding video in your language. It explains how the whole works. Then download this file here. It is a zip file that you can find here. This means that if you click here, you will end up in a OneDrive folder. And here you will find the ZoneFinder Pro, or the ZoneFinder, depending on which version you have registered, probably the ZoneFinder Pro. Download the whole thing. You can also download the sounds, because we also support sound alarm and have prepared some things here. After that, you can easily here in Ninjatrader, in the Control Center via Tools, import NinjaScript add-on. You probably already know this from other add-ons. It will take a few moments for it to load in the background, and then you can load the TPT ZoneFinder Pro zip file here. We'll wait here for a moment until the whole thing has happened. This is where we had the things in. I have not downloaded the file now, but in principle, you can find it in your download folder and can import the whole thing here once, and then restart Ninjatrader. You can then load the whole thing here in a chart via indicators, under TwinPeaks, ZoneFinder, and then ZoneFinder here once. I have already done this once here, and that's it. If you confirm the whole thing with OK, and the whole thing is then loaded in the chart, you won't see much at first, except that it says TPTE ZoneFinder and a ZF. Symbol appears at the top here. If you click on it, you have the configuration menu of the ZoneFinder. Before you see anything here, you have to configure. And what you can set here, we will look at in the next videos. See you soon.